Mangalam Projects presents Mangalam Ecstasy. One look is all it takes to fall in love. Nestled in the blooming real estate hub of KR Puram, which falls in the east of Bangalore, it also has an access to educational institutions, hospitals, to a bag full IT locations, namely ITPL, Bagmane Tech Park, and many more. Thus making it an excellent investment choice. Sprawled across 2.5 acres of land, Mangalam Ecstasy embraces a green way of living with 214 elegantly designed 2.5, 3 BHK homes. Equipped with world-class amenities, this project lives up to its theme of green living, posing a thumping 83% open space for its residents, both of them which are extremely well designed to give extreme sense of spaciousness with large lift lobby areas. The flat here comes with magnificent and extremely well curated interiors, large living areas, thus promoting the idea of family living. Every flat has a spacious open kitchen which gives a light feel to the house. The master bedroom comes with a king-size bed and well-designed furniture in it. It also has a well-planned kids' room and a cozy guest room. And a balcony to give an extra sense of luxury. As the Narmadeshwar temple and the Siddhivinayak temple are situated right at the entrance, this creates a positive aura for the entire property and gives a positive start to the day. The property has an outdoor amphitheatre which adds a charm to the plethora of external amenities that the property exposes. Outdoor gym that is dedicated to the senior citizens. The property houses a fully equipped outdoor kids play area, the mini football court for the kids. The half basketball court is situated right in the corner of the property. Indoor badminton court. The project doesn't compromise on security. The Club Ecstasy is the heart of the project, spread across a stunning 18,000 square feet. These include a specially designed indoor play area, houses multiple games promising a relaxing evening to the residents. A massive banquet gymnasium where the residents burn out the calories. Library for the bookworms too. A studio room gives a personalized space for the Zumba and dance lovers. A suite room is at place to house extra guests for the residents of the property. For media lovers, the property houses a world-class mini theatre. An international standard squash court is a perfect place to sweat it out. Cafeteria for munching evening snacks. Fully equipped steam room for men and women. An infinity swimming pool of unmatched standards for the residents to dive and have an amazing swim on a sunny day. The terrace gardens are yet another eye-catching part of the property, where residents can have a jolly time and also enjoy their barbecue sessions. All the buildings in the property are interlinked via the sky bridge that derives design inspiration from abroad. The residents can ferry around easily from both the towers and the clubhouse, giving an unimaginable sense of connectivity. All these amenities help enhance the value of the property and not to limit the tag of being a house and give it an abode-like feeling. So, come visit Mangalam Ecstasy, a place where dreams come home.